I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook kimchi ramen. First, you'll want to saute about 1 cup of chopped kimchi with minced garlic and ginger for a few minutes to develop deep flavors. Next, pour in 4 cups of chicken or vegetable broth, along with half a cup of kimchi liquid, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of gochujang. Let this simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. While the broth simmers, cook your ramen noodles in a separate pot for 2 to 3 minutes until they are perfectly al dente. Finally, combine the cooked noodles with your flavorful, simmering broth. To truly elevate your kimchi ramen, consider adding dried shiitake mushrooms. Rehydrate them and use their flavorful soaking water in your broth for an incredible umami boost. Stir in a tablespoon or 2 of miso paste and a teaspoon of sesame oil at the end for a rich, aromatic finish. A small splash of rice vinegar or mirin can also brighten the flavors. If you enjoy more heat, a half teaspoon of Korean chili flakes or a dash of sriracha will add a delightful kick. For the best results, always discard the seasoning packet that comes with instant ramen. We're making a fresh, flavorful broth from scratch. It's crucial to boil your noodles in fully boiling water to prevent them from becoming soggy. Cook them for only about 2 to 3 minutes, aiming for a slightly chewy, al dente texture. Also, try lifting the noodles with chopsticks a few times while they cook. This helps separate them and ensures they cook evenly. Once your delicious kimchi ramen is ready, it's time to personalize it. A soft-boiled or poached egg sliced in half adds a wonderful creamy richness and protein. Garnish generously with fresh green onions, a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds, or some fresh cilantro leaves. You can also boost the nutrition by adding a handful of spinach, bok choy, or bean sprouts. For a heartier meal, consider adding cooked pulled pork, pan-fried tofu, or even a bit of drained canned tuna.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.